Hi, morning everyone. Just had a bit of a disastrous morning. Just painted this for YouTube for you guys to watch. I'll tell you a bit about it. Unfortunately, I forgot to put the camera into autofocus and set the focus on it before starting. Because I'm using a different setup, because the painting was too big. It's just video, 2 hours of video, blurred. So there's absolutely no point in posting it at all because it's of such poor quality. I wouldn't put you through it. But just what I thought we'd do, I'll just quickly talk about what I did today, and then when I've got some more time, I will do another big painting to give you. Because what I want to do, I wanted to see how well the Cotman colours could work on such a big surface. And I'll tell you now, I'm absolutely delighted. They have been fantastic. They really have lived up to all my expectations. They really have. I'm using what is basically like a Japanese style paper. It's from Jackson's. It's their budget paper. They do like it. You can buy it in bulk, and it really is. I'll try and find the price of it and include. I bought it quite a long time. I haven't used it, but I thought I wanted to do a big painting, and I didn't have any Arches paper or anything like that. So I thought I'd try this budget paper and with the Cotmans, using just big brushes. And overall, I'm very pleased with the effect. This is a place down in the New Forest, Hampshire, just on the coast there by the Isle of Wight. And it's Hurst Castle. I was down there a few months ago. My patrons will know, because on the patron site they've seen my trip down there in the camper van, and me painting on the beach. And the view was very similar to this. But anyway, I thought today I would have a go at doing a full size, and on a big piece of paper, just to see how the Cotman paints worked, and they have worked fabulous. Look how strong the pigment stayed. It's not all weak and washy. I haven't used copious amounts of paint either to achieve that. You know, I am absolutely blown away by the quality of Cotman. I really am. They've produced the darks when necessary, and they've produced the lovely clear blues that I wanted, and that lovely feeling of light and a freshness to it. So I'm ever so sorry the video didn't turn out. I hope you like this video, like the painting, and yeah, you want to see some more big stuff in the future. Because I was getting a bit bored painting small all the time, I thought I'd have a go at doing something big. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to visit Pure Watercolour, where there's lots of challenges that go on. There's a forum, all arranged by Martin, fantastic guy, does lots of work for me, who's also got a fantastic website called Alizarin Portal. There'll be a link to it under my video if you want to have a look at that. That's all about portraits and history of and stuff. Very interesting, done a brilliant job. And if you want to see more tutorials by me, in-depth tutorials and critiquing of your painting, you could join my Patreon page. It's up to you. But there's links to everything underneath the video. So again, I'm very sorry the painting didn't turn out as it should, because it's blurred. But all I want to say is that ultimately it was all about the Cotman paints and painting on cheap paper, and they've delivered big time. They really have. Chuffed to bits with it. So yeah, it's just a very, very short video to talk about that, really. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to leave it at that, and bye for now.